Hi everyone, I hope you're all well, and I'm really excited to see you all on Thursday when you are coming in. I just wanted to go over what your work for this lesson is and your work remotely is today. So if I go down to Year 9 History, I want to make this even more clear than last week because a few people did get confused. So there are three classes in Year 9, and the top class is going through and using Topic 2 Australians at War, this folder. But I want you guys to use our class folders. So for 9O, that's this one, and 9P, that's this one. And the reason why is because in the general folder for Year 9, there is a lot of resources and a lot of work. So what I've been trying to do while you guys are at home and having less time, only 40 minutes, I'm trying to condense the work and minimize it for you. So when you go into this folder, you'll see a lot more work than what I'm putting into our folders. We're still covering all the main ideas. I'm making sure to do that while also not giving you too much work or anything that's repetitive. So for example, both folders are the same. We'll go 9.0. Topic 2, go into World War I. Now we have completed the activities in number 1, causes of war, and now we're looking at nature of warfare. So the things I want you to work today are stalemate on the Western Front. So you're going to look into what is stalemate in general. That's actually one of the questions here. So you read through this document, you download and you read through, highlight through. And there is 3 questions here. What is meant by stalemate? Explain why World War I was fought in the trenches, and how did the British plan to break the stalemate? So we'll talk about this all in class on Thursday, but I want you to have the background information. So it's about, okay, war has started, what's going on? What ends up happening? Where is this war? All right, so you'll read through that. Once you have finished that, I'm going to put some Firefly tasks up. This will be called Stalemate on the Western Front task that you need to upload this document to completed. Oopsies. Okay, one second, back to here. All right, then you move on to the Gallipoli campaign. So you watch the following YouTube video on the Gallipoli campaign, and then you read this 2 pages from the textbook and complete this sheet. So it's just sort of an overview again, so that before we see each other face to face, you've got a bit of an overview of all this work here. So what I know about the Gallipoli campaign. So just overviews, few details, at least a sentence or 2 in each box. So who is involved? Where did it happen? What was the purpose of the landing? So there's just a few of those questions, and I want to make sure you are answering them in full sentences completely. So you don't need to necessarily write a whole paragraph, but there should be at least 1 or 2 sentences there. All right, so back to here. So what you're working on, okay, let's see, 7's work, sorry. Back to here. You're working on the stalemate on the Western Front sheet, which is just 3 questions. Read through and then 3 questions. Okay, it's loading. And then watch the video, read 2 pages from the textbook, and answer that summary sheet. So that's your work for today that I want you all to try to complete. I also need to put a Firefly task up for the Gallipoli table where you can upload that to. And we'll leave it at that for today. So hopefully you'll be able to get that done by Thursday. So work on that. You'll definitely be able to get this done in 20 minutes and then be able to start this, and maybe you'd need to finish this for a little bit of homework after school. But we'll see how we go on, and we'll talk about this all on Thursday. All right, guys, remember to go into your class folder when you go to Year 9 History, not the overall folder, your class one. All right. Looking forward to seeing you all. Stay safe and stay warm today.